Abhinay is a very integral part of dancing. And when it comes to Angik Abhinay, you really need to understand it into great details in order to apply that in your dance and make it more beautiful. Angik Abhinay. Angik, the word Angik comes from the word Anga, which means your body. So in Angik Abhinay, you actually have to enact things through your body. Extensive use of Ang, Pratyang and Upang can be seen in Angik Abhinay. If you read Natya Shastra by Bharat, you will see that here he has described everything in great detail, starting from Griva Bhed, how you are using your neck, to Shiro Bhed, to Bhrukuti Bhed, Drishti Bhed, Mudras, movement of the waist, kamar, pada bhed. So each and every part of your body plays a very important role in Angik Abhinay, and you should actually know that moving which portion of your body in which way will be appropriate for what exactly you are trying to portray on the stage. Now Angik Abhinay can be divided into two things. One is called the Padarth Abhinay and the other one is called the Vakyarth Abhinay. The Padarth Abhinay is nothing but the literal translation of the lyrics through your body language, and Vakyarth Abhinay is what the dancers interpret. When the lyric comes, it's not exactly that a dancer will keep on showing the same thing again and again, but he or she can interpret things in her own ways and then show it. So that is Vakyarth Abhinay. It could be the use of simile, the use of metaphor and things like that. Suppose I tell you a line like Umar Ghumar Ghire Aayi Badarwa. So if I just want to show the clouds in the sky, that okay, the sky is overcast with cloud and it's going to rain. So Umar Ghumar Ghire Aayi Badarwa. This will be Padarth Abhinay because I'm literally translating the meaning. But I can also show different things, like I can interpret that if it's going to rain, then the peacock is going to dance. So Umar Ghumar Ghire Aayi Badarwa. Peacock is happy because it's going to rain. Umar Ghumar Ghire Aayi Badarwa. I'm very sad. You know, Umar Ghumar Ghire Aayi Badarwa. So I'm writing a letter to my lover because I want him to come back as it is raining and I'm missing him. So how you interpret things differently and then express it makes it Vakyarth Abhinay. Hope you will be able to explore all the different Vedas that comes under the category of Angik Abhinay, and then along with your feelings when you express it, then your Abhinay will become complete.